Hello and welcome back to the third and final production tutorial video. My name's Eone and here today we're going to be going through how I created the vocals in my latest track, Rival, which is out now on Noir label, one of my favourite Polish wave and Neogrime labels. And these are my vocals here. I've grouped them up. That will come clear in a second why. There we go. Now, there's a huge amount of post-processing in this. Bit of bit crush, some reverb. And we've also got it being sent on a return track. So a nice little delay there. Also played around with some of the pitches on here. And I've just had a little play around with some of the timings, and I've not actually tightened it up a great deal. I quite like how it's not exactly on the beat. Let's listen to it in context. Got a few different versions of it. Another one there, which is using slightly different processing. We've got the reverb, we've got the EQ, we've got a delay on there. Obviously the delay has been automated as well. So it's just at the end there where it starts to come out. Got some nice chops on here as well. Very simple. Just delay really nicely on there, which works well. I'm pretty happy with that. And then we've also got the main vocal up here, which is here. Now these ones here I have tightened these up because these did need to sound on time. They didn't sound good. There we go, that was much needed. And then finally, I'm just auto-filtering all of the sounds on there. Just get the context. Now those vocals are actually taken from a Deep House sample pack. This one here, Vocal Progressive Deep House 2. And this is by Dropgun. I don't like to look in the kind of standard normal places. Like I'm not gonna sit there and go to like a Future Garage set of vocals. It's gonna be too obvious for me. Too many other people would have found those vocals. One trick that I always really like to do when I'm searching on Splice is just sort by random. Rather than searching by most popular, I sort by random. It's a fairly well-known trick, but it's a good and very useful trick to make sure that you're not just stuck with the same vocals that everyone else has done. And even if you do have the same vocals, the amount of times that I've heard, I've got those same vox in my track, but I'm okay with it because the way that I'm treating it, the way that I'm processing it, the way that I'm arranging it, that's unique to me. That's what makes my tune stand out from every other person's tune on there that's using those same vocals. All right, so there we go. That's the third and final video in our production series. Thank you very much for tuning in. Don't forget to go check out Noir Collective, amazing Polish label, and also the actual EP itself, Rival, which is out now, and obviously all the links are in the description as well. Nice one. Enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.